Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: why human skills are important and why they seem to be missing in today's world. I'm Lalit, and with me is Anjana.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Lalit. I'm really happy to be part of this discussion because this topic is very close to real life.
Before we start, let me tell our viewers something. This is a conversation style video, so please listen carefully to the questions and answers. Try to notice how we speak, how we respond, and how we express ideas in simple English.
Yes, and you can even pause the video and repeat some sentences aloud. That will really help your English speaking.
So, Anjana, let me start with a simple question. What do we mean by human skills?
That's a good question. Human skills are the skills that help us connect with people. For example, communication, empathy, listening, patience, teamwork, and emotional intelligence.
Human skills are not technical skills, right?
Exactly. Technical skills are about machines, software, or tools, but human skills are about understanding people and emotions.
Let me repeat that for our learners. Human skills help us understand people, not machines.
Yes, very well said.
Now, Anjana, here is my next question. Why are human skills so important in our personal and professional life?
Human skills are important because we live and work with people. Even the most talented person can fail if they cannot communicate properly.
Yes, you may be very intelligent. If you don't know how to talk, listen, and respect others, life becomes difficult.
Absolutely. For example, in the workplace, teamwork is very important. If you don't listen to others or understand their point of view, conflicts start.
Let me ask this in another way. Can we say that human skills help us build relationships?
Yes, 100%. Good relationships are built on listening, respect, and empathy. All human skills.
Let us give very simple examples. Imagine two people with the same qualification.
Okay,
One person speaks politely, listens carefully, and understands emotions, and the other person is rude, impatient, and only talks about himself. Who do you think will succeed?
obviously, the first one. People like to work with someone who makes them feel respected.
Exactly. So the success is not only about knowledge, it's about how you behave with people. Now, coming to why are human skills missing today? Now, this is a most important question. If the human skills are so important, why are they missing in this age?
That's a very interesting question. One big reason is technology.
Can you explain that a little more?
Sure, today people spend more time with screens than with people. Mobile phones, social media, and messaging apps have reduced real conversations.
So we type more and talk less?
Exactly. When we don't talk face to face, we slowly lose skills like listening, empathy, and patience.
Okay, now coming to social media effect. Now let me ask something many learners will relate to. Do you think social media affects our human skills?
Yes, a lot. On social media, people react quickly but don't reflect deeply. There is less understanding and more judgment.
That's a powerful point. Reacting is easy, but understanding takes effort.
Very true. And human skills require time, attention, and emotional presence, which are missing today.
What about education? Are schools and colleges teaching human skills?
Not enough. Most education systems focus on marks, exams, and competition.
So the students learn what to think, but not how to communicate.
Exactly. Very few students are taught how to listen, how to express feelings, or how to handle failure.
Let's talk about the workplace. Why do many talented people struggle at work?
Because talent alone is not enough, people struggle due to poor communication, ego issues, and lack of empathy.
So we can say hard skills may get you a job, but human skills help you keep the job.
That's a beautiful sentence. Learners, please remember that.
Now, a hopeful question. Are human skills lost forever or can we relearn them?
They can definitely be relearned. Human skills are like muscles. The more you practice, the stronger they become.
That's encouraging. So, how can someone start improving human skills?
Start with small steps. Listen more than you speak. Make eye contact. Ask genuine questions. Be patient. Respect different opinions.
Very practical advice.
I also want to say something to English learners. When you practice English, don't focus only on grammar.
Yes, focus on how you speak, not just what you speak.
Tone, politeness, pause, and listening are part of both English and human skills.
Before we end, let me ask you one final question, Anjana. In one sentence, why are human skills important today?
Human skills are important because technology may connect devices, but human skills connect hearts.
That's a powerful line. And to our viewers, if you want to grow in life, grow as human first, then as professional.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving.
If you like this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.